Watching Iowa Live. Everything local, entertaining, and meaningful in Central Iowa is right here on Iowa Live.
From the Car Chevrolet Studios in West Des Moines, welcome to Iowa Live. I am Lou, and as you can tell, we are in the kitchen, and we are in the kitchen for a very special reason. Kelena Bonnell is here from New Horizon Academy.
Hi,
great to see you again.
You too.
Remind everybody about the amazing services you offer at New Horizon Academy.
Yeah, so we offer care for children 6 weeks old to going off to kindergarten, so that 4 or 5 age. And we have a lot of great locations around the metro and a new location coming really soon.
Okay.
Again, you're the first to hear about it.
All right.
So we're partnering with ITA Group. They have a wonderful new office that they're moving into at 7000 Vista Drive in West Des Moines, into the Arcadia building, if you're familiar with that R&R area over
sure,
there.
Okay.
So we'll provide care to employees who have children at ITA Group, grandparents, other people who may work in that office park, and then the public as well.
Oh, that is
yeah.
great.
So we'll start accepting enrollment there in June, and then the center's hopefully opening in the October-November
Right, so you are just continuing to grow and serve the public. Now, with that also comes employment opportunities, right?
Yeah, definitely. So we have some teacher openings, lead teacher, assistant teachers. We provide a wide variety of benefits, so health, dental, vision, and then on top of that, a great 401k match.
Yeah, these are top-tier plans we're talking about.
Yeah, definitely. So wonderful benefits. We also will pay for a CDA, a 1-year diploma program in child development, as well as an AA in early childhood education. 100% we pay for that. A great opportunity to further your education and also work with us. We also have some great child care discounts. So bring your kids with us, get an education, just great spaces, fully furnished, wonderful classrooms to work in.
That is awesome. And you're wondering what type of things that the kids do? Well, we're going to turn ourselves into some kids here real quick, and we're going to show you some of the activities that you have that can really benefit kids. And it looks like food is involved.
Yeah, definitely. So children love to help out in the kitchen. We understand it's very messy, but a lot comes from this hands-on learning. And we'll talk about that kind of as we go through. So the first thing we have is a pita.
Okay.
And this is kind of a choose your own adventure. So if you're doing this at home, maybe you have some picky eaters, maybe you're trying out new vegetables, you want to introduce those.
Like maybe spinach.
Yeah, spinach, lettuce, things that aren't necessarily something that you always put out for them. This is also great. We have Memorial Day weekend coming up. Something that you can take on the go, a picnic. So you start with a pita pocket, and then you can choose any deli meat. This is turkey. You just put that right into the pocket. The kids really like this. Very hands-on. They get to use those fine motor skills.
That's exactly what I was going to ask you about.
Pick this up. Cheese, any cheese. We have some Colby Jack and some Swiss. Again, you just put that right into the pocket. And then here's where your vegetables come in. So we have lettuce. You can use spinach, really anything. And I also have some tomatoes. So really just a good way to introduce those healthy vegetables. Talk about colors as you're building this. What colors do you see? Very child friendly. It's small, very hands-on. We know kids learn a lot through those sensory experiences. So getting
this
to
is
touch.
definitely a sensory
Yeah, definitely sensory. The smell, touching, recognizing colors. Also just a great life skill to have as you get older.
Right.
You need to know how to cook.
Perfect
It's
thing
a
to
great
do.
way to start out early.
Okay, so we had a sandwich, so that's really good, but we need dessert now.
Yeah, definitely. So it's getting warmer, and this is a really great hands-on activity to do outside because it's going to keep you cool. We have a Ziploc bag, and we're just going to put some ice in here.
Okay.
About a half a cup, maybe a little bit more than that.
Just stick your hand in there, Kelena, and grab that. That's okay. We're amongst friends here. There we go.
So you're going to fill a gallon bag with some ice.
You're going to fill it? Okay.
Well, you're going to put some in there. And then we're going to add about a half of cup of kosher salt. So not the typical table salt that you have. But this, Lou, while we're doing this, we're going to talk about some science that's happening. So we can't just have ice because that's not going to chill the ingredients fast enough. We need the salt to kind of drop the temperature.
Get it colder,
To get it colder.
You can explain what that is, too.
Yeah, and so you can talk about that. The kids can feel that. Again, a great activity to do outside, a great way to stay cool. We have a cup of half and half, and then we're going to add a cup of heavy whipping cream.
And you take all this and you're combining it, and
we're combining this into a quart-sized bag. And then
it's all done.
Yep, we're gonna put some sugar in. And then we're going to put a little bit of vanilla in. So this is just kind of helping our ice cream taste good.
Okay. And you mix that all up?
Yep, mix it up. We're gonna put the quart bag inside the gallon bag and you shake that for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
We have one that we were shaking earlier.
What comes out? Look at this here.
Yeah, so that salt really helped this liquid to turn into more of that thick ice cream consistency that you're used to seeing.
We're trying your
Lou's gonna try it. He's gonna tell me.
Okay, now people want more information about this and everything else New Horizon Academy does. Website is?
NewHorizonAcademy.net.
Okay, NewHorizonAcademy.net. Wonderful. And that's really good.
Yeah.
That's really good. All right, so this is awesome. So I want to do these awesome projects with your kids. NewHorizonAcademy.net. Kelena, thank you so much. Thanks for the ice cream.
Of course.
All right, when we come back, everybody, we're going to visit with the Animal Rescue League of Iowa next on Iowa Live. More ice cream.